Richard. Goodbye. See you later. Chai Dada. And thank you. Mwah. Danke schön. Superhero rescuer. That is the rescue service. So, guys, we are here. So, Richard have followed us, Robert, and I have only two kids right here. That the uni. Emily's enjoying her unicorn hair, and she's talking about it. No stop, no stop. Okay. Okay, it's my turn. Look at you.
So, Sie dürfen dann hier. Ja.
Okay. Ooh.
Sie dürfen dann ausspucken.
I think I like to
What?
video here.
You think what?
Du kannst da an den. Genau. Können Sie noch nach hinten rutschen? Genau, ja. Nicht fotografieren. Dann kleinen Moment. Ich sage noch schnell Bescheid.
Okay.
Mommy, I can Spanish.
Mm-hmm. Is it clean?
Yes.
Cleaner than before?
Scapos amores, de muchos colores, de mucha magia. El corazón de los campos amores, de muchos. Look. Mommy, look how.
I guess Ashley should be done already with the states. Yeah.
I want to show you
You
something.
can put it back on the chair.
Elena's always saying wow.
Okay, wow. Sorry, I didn't say wow. She said her best friend is always saying wow.
Because she cannot do that. She can only do it like this.
Do it again, let me see it. Give it to me. Wow. That's so deep.
Can do spaghetti.
I know. You've said it. You've shown me already. You can do it
Mommy,
here.
I'm teaching you what?
No,
I can also
tell
do
me.
water spaghetti.
Oh, yeah?
Even a handstand. Even
Yeah?
inside too.
Really?
Yes. In the water, just but then it's the nose for your foot.
That is not good. Then
But
you-
I always then
So you always use your breath before you do it. When is it training? Tomorrow.
yes.
Oh.
And then by Saturday then.
Oh, so you have a swimming lesson tomorrow and
Mommy,
Saturday.
did you know what? We can take a swim and lesson on.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have some I bought before. I don't have to buy again.
No. We're
So I need your help. Can you put up into this direction, please?
Sie spricht so gut Deutsch.
Ja, sie das?
Ja.
Okay, also dann rutsch mal nach hinten. Sehr gut. Okay, wir sind hier mit 3. Der 1, 2 ist erste Stufe. Kitzelt? Ja. Da unten die 6 sind zweite Stufe. Dann haben wir unten links und rechts 5 und 4 Milch. Dreiermilch. Die beiden Einser sind da unten. Und die Zweier sind zweite Stufe. So, prima. Gucken wir mal noch mit dem Zahnfleisch. Prima. Runter. So, Achtung, das piekst jetzt ein bisschen. Geht, oder? Alles gut? Super. Also machen wir doch bitte unten über eine 2 und oben machst du bitte eine 1. Gut.
You're getting a drink now. Let me see your kid. Who's that?
Hast du ausgespült und dann hier reinschnuppern, okay?
Now we're going to see how Heavenly Teeth is clean and unclean. You're so funny.
Dann schauen wir es uns zusammen an. Noch Belege, das ist noch alles Essen. Siehst du? Das ist nicht gut, schau. Ne? Da ist auch noch viel Belag. Siehst du? Siehst du? Musst du viel.
Oh, probably that was taking ages. Oh, I almost left off even. I did a lot of super cleaning on Heavenly State.
Tu mal schlucken. Ja, nochmal auf. Ja, genau.
That's fluoride.
Genau. So. Danach darfst du eine halbe Stunde lang nichts essen, nichts trinken, nicht spülen. Du darfst es aber jetzt gleich im Mund verteilen und dann einmal ausspucken, ja?
Do you hear that? No eating in the next 30 minutes.
Genau.
It tastes so bad.
Magst du was aussuchen?
Oh, not time for gift. Yet it's time for Geschenk.
Genau.
Look at that.
Der nächste Termin wäre
27, das ist
Mittwoch.
27, okay, 27 of January. Next, yeah, that's good.
Was ist
Ja.
das? Ein Flummi.
Ooh, yeah.
No. Here to stay. What?
Yeah. So pick the one you want to pick, Heaven.
Too small for that thing.
How long have you been waiting? So long.
Yes. Because of me.
Heavenly's almost taking so long.
Like ages.
Like ages. We have an appointment already, so we can go now. But I have to make an appointment for myself. Wake up to that, my goodness. We're walking down to the pharmacy.
We're walking down to the pharmacy. Pharmacy.
So we just finished from what's it called? From Apotech, and we want to go to Mola to get heavily electric toothbrush.
Yeah, bro.
Where's here, bro? I didn't come for sweet. Drop it. Every day I hear, and I already see one for you. So wait heavily. Where is it?
What?
Look, it's even from 6 years plus. When we get home without one for Richard, Richard is going to finish us. But where's sweet?
Wait.
Oh, Heavenly found it.
Oh, and then? Mommy? Man, why are you trying to put down?
Get two inside.
Yeah. Yeah, come on.
So
We have one already, Heavenly. You
only
already
two
pick one.
thing.
You already pick one, so let's go. That's enough already.
And what's with Richie?
What is with Richard? When we come back, when we come for Richard's, and Richard has appointment, then we can pick one for him. Let him cry for a little moment.
Paul, what is
The stitch is 69. Let's go. Actually, would have loved this. There's a bigger one.
Any cup?
Actually, instead of picking that, why not use it to pick a cup?
I don't want cup because we haven't already so much cup at all.
I don't have so much cup at all. You will eat that and you will just take it to the toilet in the next day. Take this one. This one will last for you.
Wow.
Okay.
I
Let's go.
think it's too small.
What about this one? No. So we're done here, guys. And now we're going to take the train. Robert called and asked if she should come and pick us. I told you my husband is such a sweet husband. He called asking if he should come and pick us. So I just tell him to just check for the next train for me. And he checked in. The next train was in 1 hour time. So I said, shouldn't worry. We could just take a walk around. We have to go to, beside then we have to go to pharmacy, and we have to go to the shop, to Mula to get Heavenly's electric brush. The electric brush was part of the birthday gift that I wanted to give, but then I forgot it. You know, when somebody have everything in their head and then you just, when you're the only one having it in the head, holding it in the head, because I'm the only one holding it and I'm the one telling my husband, oh, we have to do this, we have to do that. Yeah. I could have just noted down. That is what I could have. That is where I had the failure. Could have noted down, but unfortunately I didn't. Yes, Heaven.
Elena had 4 sisters and 1 brother.
Yeah.
They are 16.
And now she's an auntie.
Who?
Elena.
Yes.
Does her sister have a baby?
Yeah.
She's already long ago, but not here.
Mommy and this is what the mother and the father found.
Was it this year she had a baby or last year already?
Yeah.
Mommy and you know what? Elena's father was not even married.
How is that your business, young lady? Mind your business. They actually don't have to be, as long as they are in love and living together. Those children, they can do over Sabi. Talk more than themselves. Imagine Elena bringing herself to her, gossiping about her parents to Heavenly. Those children, that is how Heavenly is also gossiping me and her father to Elena. Can you imagine?